Alright, y'all, in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I was able to make almost $1,000 in the last 24 hours promoting this new system. And it's only two things you need to master in order to have results like this on a day-to-day basis. Now, mind you, I just started promoting this system about a week ago since I set it all up. As you can see, today I'm at 394, and then yesterday I'm at 591. Now, with today, it's only 5:40 in the afternoon, so I still got 6 more hours left to go to try to generate a couple more sales. My goal really is to make $200 to $300 per day, but as you can see, doing a little better than that. And like I said, I was doing a mix of I was doing free and paid traffic strategy. So I'm going to show y'all how much money I spent today on traffic and how much money I spent yesterday, as well as the free marketing that I've been doing and how you can do the same yourself. So going to my YouTube ads account, as you can see today is September 8th. If I move me out the way, I spent a total of $40, and if I go to my yesterday stats, I spent $60. So in the last day or so, in the last 24 hours, I done spent pretty much $100 on traffic and made almost $1,000 so far. Now, if I go to my Facebook profile, I only did one post today about an hour ago. As you can see, when you promote high converting offers, you can have days like this on autopilot. For more info, go here. I'm sending them to the same exact offer that I'm promoting. And I got a picture of me with a screenshot of the money that I made yesterday, which was $591. I already got 8 likes, and I believe I got a sale from this post exactly. And another thing I'm starting out doing is Instagram content marketing, where basically I'm gonna be doing the same thing over on Facebook, just over on Instagram. Me personally, I like Instagram better. I just feel like I'm just more familiar with Instagram. Facebook to me is just all over the place. But Instagram is about to be probably my new favorite traffic source other than YouTube. And what's crazy is I haven't even posted a YouTube video probably in a few days, almost a week or so. So I'm about to get back to my YouTube grind, recording and uploading videos pretty much every single day. Just getting back to content marketing strategies. And like I was saying in the start of this video, you only need to master 2 things to have results like this. And going to that, so yeah, the only 2 things you need to have, results like this, whether you want to make $100 a day, $1,000 a day online, you need a high converting affiliate offer. What is a high converting affiliate offer? It's an offer that's going to convert. Whether you send traffic from Facebook, Instagram, Bing, Google, YouTube, no matter what. If you got a high converting offer, you can go take that offer on any traffic source and crush it. So, that's where that comes from. And then the second part is driving consistent traffic to your affiliate offer. So it's really all about sticking to one traffic source. So if your thing is Facebook, master Facebook content marketing, where basically you can make posts like this on a day-to-day basis. You build your friends list every day. You building up a Facebook group, providing value to people every single day. And you can go and recommend products and easily get commissions. Now, what I recommend for offers is to pick offers that pay out, at least $100. So that way it's easier for you to reach $200 or $300 a day. Think about it. If you promote a $100 offer, you only need 2 sales a day to reach your income goal. Or if your goal is to make 10K per month, you only need 3 sales on a $100 product to reach that income goal. So that's pretty much what I've been doing. And going back to, consistent traffic, that's all it really comes down to. Once you got you a high converting affiliate offer and you driving, consistent traffic to that affiliate offer, it's just, a rinse and repeat process after that. It's a day-to-day process. I'm sticking to it, posting. Like I said, I'm getting back to posting on YouTube every single day to promote the same offer, posting on my Instagram account. I'm gonna still dabble with Facebook, but like I said, Instagram and YouTube is probably what I'm gonna bounce around from, and actually running YouTube ads, and I might venture off into Facebook ads again. But those are the main 3 traffic sources I'm about to be utilizing and have been utilizing for the last week to generate these results. And if you want to find a high converting affiliate offer, you can either get access to the same offer that I'm promoting by clicking the link in the description or in the comment section of the next video. Or if you are more familiar with ClickBank and that's just your go-to place, you can easily find high converting offers over there too. They got every niche you can think of. I'm pretty sure everybody watching this video already familiar with ClickBank, but if you want to promote make money online offers, you can easily just come over here to the marketplace, go to e-business and e-marketing. They got a few products that I believe is high converting and actually quality. So it's just a matter of you going through it yourself. So as you can see, ClickBank University, you can make up to $230 for every single sale you generate. And like I said, if your income goal is just $200, you only need 1 of these sales per day to reach that. So it's very, very easy to do. And the thing is, a lot of people always asking, is it hard to convert a higher paying offer when really the same exact process and the same, the same exact time and effort that you would put into promoting a $30 or $50 offer is the same exact time and effort you'll put into promoting a $100 offer, a $200 offer, a $300 offer. It's really just like a mindset thing. Once I started promoting my new offer, and the offer paying me $200-$300, started to realize it's the same exact process, literally nothing different, just a higher paying offer. As far as picking a high converting product on ClickBank, it's a few things I would pay attention to. One being the initial sales, see if they got rebuilds. The gravity. Now, gravity is the number of affiliates who recently made a sale promoting this product. So this might be a great offer to promote because the gravity is 195. So that's 195 different people who recently made a sale with this. They front end product, you get paid $24, and then on the back end you can make up to $100, and that's where the average dollar per sale come from of 119. Now, like I said, I always check out the offers that I'm promoting. I like to look at the sales page, the affiliate resources, and all that stuff. So this looked like a clean landing page that I would probably opt into myself. We got the exit pops. Let me see. Perpetual income 365. Create your perpetual income account. Enter your login details. Claim your spot. I'm not about to watch the sales video. You can, but I'm pretty sure by looking at the gravity that this offer is very high converting. Let me check the similar web stats. All right, so that one got none. So going back, I want to check out another offer just to show y'all real quick. You can find high converting offers. They got ClickBank. You can promote the same offer I'm promoting. JVZoo, Warrior Plus. I'm pretty sure it's a lot of other affiliate networks like Max Bounty and stuff if you went to CPA marketing. ClickBank University, I know this offer been around for a long time. So yeah, our clients have earned $3.5 billion. That's your turn. It's basically a whole all-in-one ClickBank course that you can go and promote. This would be a very, very easy offer to promote right here. Like literally, I'm giving y'all the keys to the kingdom. I know this offer converts. Let me look at the similar web stats. So let me see. Just last month, this website got over 100,000 visits to it. I'm telling you from experience, any offer that's getting this much traffic is converting. There's no point in people sending this much traffic to something that's not going to convert. You can see the majority of traffic coming from the United States, et cetera, et cetera. And going back to, the average sale, you can get up to $200 on this offer, gravity of 50. So like I was saying, pick an offer with a gravity of at least 30. I recommend 50 and above. I feel like that's the sweet spot. Go check out the affiliate resources and see what kind of information that they give you. Because if they give you little to no information, it's probably not that high converting. So put in one of my dummy email addresses, JT, becoming an affiliate now. So yeah, as long as the sales page look good, something that you would buy into, gravity of at least 50, a nice affiliate resource area, that's definitely an offer that I would promote. What do they have? They give you email swipes. See, scroll down, see what else. Demographics you can use for, like your YouTube ads targeting, your Facebook ads, your Bing ads, and stuff like that. They got the top locations, top devices to promote, keywords that you can go and use, banner ads. So yeah, this is definitely an offer that I would promote if I wasn't promoting mine, because it comes with everything I need to see some success online. So stick to those guidelines when it comes to picking ClickBank offers. Definitely you want to promote offers that you believe in, because those are the easiest ones to recommend and make money from. So going back, recapping this video, you only need to master two things to have, consistent $100 days online, $500 days online, $1,000 days. You need a high converting affiliate offer first and foremost. If the offer don't convert, it ain't gonna matter how good the traffic is or how much traffic you send. If it don't convert, then it just don't convert. Once you got your high converting affiliate offer, next thing is just sending consistent traffic to it every day. So whether you're doing Facebook profile marketing, you building up your friends list, you posting on Facebook every single day, getting consistent traffic to your affiliate link, therefore you can make sales on a day-to-day basis. And I recommend promoting offers that pay out $100 or more, so it can be easier for you to reach your income goals. And like I was going back to, just picking your traffic source, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Bing, YouTube ads, the list goes on. So that's pretty much the only two things you need to master to get those results. Now, like I said, if you want access to the same system that I'm promoting, you can get access to that by clicking the link below this video. You can see pretty much everything that's inside the course. Well, you can see it right now, but I got the affiliate marketing quick start guide, the basics, the mindset, building your brand, setting up sales funnels, click funnels, email marketing training, traffic generation, tracking, the affiliate programs, what I was just talking about, the bonuses and live trainings that I just started doing. So like I said, if you want access to that, click the link below this video, and I will see you in the next video.